guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Walmart subscription box. This is a quarterly subscription. I receive this box 4 times a year. It is a seasonal box, so I guess this might be the spring box. The cost of the box is $5, which is just for the shipping. You get 5 travel size items, and I love this subscription. I have been subscribed for maybe 2 years, I think. It supplies me with all my travel needs because the items are trial size, and also it supplies me with items for my purse or my gym bag, things like that. So I really do like this subscription, and if you haven't tried it, give it a try. I'll leave my referral link in the description below so you can give this subscription a try. Like I said, I really do like it. And if you guys haven't noticed, we are almost at 1,000 subscribers, and I'm so excited. I want to say thank you to everyone that has subscribed to this channel. Thank you for your continued support. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do so. I'm pretty sure you will find something on this channel that you will like, because I do a lot of lifestyle videos, clean with me, hauls, decorating videos. I love thrifting, so I'm pretty sure you will find something on the channel that you enjoy. Without further ado, we're going to jump into this video, and I'm going to share with you everything that came in this month's subscription. So on top, well, I'm going to let you guys see how it looks inside. They usually have tissue paper inside, but I guess I didn't get any. And you know what? I know I told you guys earlier that this was the spring box, but I think it is the winter box. And this is just a card telling you if you rate or review the box, you enter for a chance for a $100 gift card. And inside the lid here, it says, here's to self-care and skincare, to an inner and outer glow. Here's to good hair days and don't care days. Here's to you. So once again, that's how it looks inside. First item I see is Colgate Optic White Renewal Toothpaste. Great for your travel bag. And if you're a person that likes to carry toothpaste in your purse on an everyday basis, perfect size. And Colgate is an awesome brand. The next item is a NYX, and it says Makeup Crew. And so let's get this open. I'm kind of excited about this because this is makeup. Oh, it's some lip gloss, guys. Oh, wow. That is so neat. So I got 2. And this looks like the regular size, because I have some of this. So I'm not sure. I don't think this is a trial size. I think these are regular sizes. This is a soft matte lip cream, and I'm trying to see which one this is. Okay guys, you got 2 lip glosses in the box. One is a soft matte lip cream, and the other is a soft matte metallic lip cream. So I'm going to open it up and swatch it for you guys. I'm not sure about the so this is the soft matte, if you can see that, and I might do an insert so you can see it better. And this is the metallic one, which they kind of almost look the same. They kind of almost look the same, guys. Like I said, I'm not sure what the name of these, but when I get the name, I'll just put it on the screen there for you. So that was really neat. And the next thing that I got was some fingernail polish, and this is the color, what's that, Color Lube? I guess that's what it says. It says Color Lube, and it's like in a navy color. This color is, I can't really see it, but I'll put it there so you can see it. It's kind of like a navy blue. So it would be this color is a nice color for the winter time. Actually, I would really wear this all year round. Item is Corelle. It is a dry skin therapy lotion. So this would definitely be going in my purse. And the last and final item is Degree Dry Spray, Ultra Clear, Black and White. So that would be perfect to put in your travel case. And that is about it. And you know, they always include some cards. It is definitely an awesome box when you get 2 NYX lip colors. And that is about it, guys. And I must say, I am really satisfied with this box. You got some awesome NYX NYX lips cream, toothpaste, some hand cream for your hands during the winter time, and some Degree deodorant, and yeah, and the nail polish. So overall, this was a great box. Like I said earlier, I will include my referral link in the description box. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, like, share, but most of all, please subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. As always, please stay blessed. Bye, guys.